Thought you were mine forever. Now I'm here alone, crying in the dark. Back in the days, it was me and you. Sunset dreams felt so true. We used to laugh till the morning light, holding each other every night. We kissed with love, no fear, no pain, dancing slowly in the pouring rain. Ate together at our favorite place. I still remember your smiling face. Stayed together through highs and lows, shared our secrets nobody knows. You held my hand when I felt weak. You were the answer I used to seek. We slept together, dream by dream. You felt so real, like destiny. I gave my heart, gave everything. Never knew love could hurt this deep. Now I cry tonight, tears falling through the night. You were my home, my light, my sky. Now all I do is cry tonight. I cry tonight. Can't even sleep, can't make it right. You said forever, but forever lied. Now I'm broken, I cry tonight. Still remember how you called my phone, saying, baby, don't leave me alone. We helped each other through every scar. I never thought we'd fall apart, yeah. Then one night everything changed. Heard your voice, felt so strange. Words hit hard like thunder rain, left my whole heart filled with pain. You said you're carrying another soul, and suddenly I lost control. I stood frozen, couldn't breathe. Felt my whole world leave me. Shock in my chest, tears in my eyes. Couldn't believe all the lies. Every memory burns like fire. Love turned into heartbreak quiet. Now cry tonight, tears falling through the night. You were my home, my light, my sky. Now all I do is cry tonight. I cry tonight. Can't even sleep, can't make it right. You said forever, but forever lied. Now I'm broken, I cry. Tell me why love gotta hurt so bad. How did forever turn this sad? I gave my heart, I gave my soul. Now I'm standing here alone. Every kiss still haunts my mind. Every laugh got left behind. You moved on, but I still stay, crying for yesterday. So I cry tonight, rain falling while I'm losing light. Thought you'd stay right by my side, but you disappeared.